Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, our task is we have some names in our different cells. In one cell, we have three names, and in another cell, one name is there. In another cell, there are two names are there. So our goal is we have to bring all these values into one column like this. Okay. So let's see how to solve this. We are going to use three formulas. One is text join, text split, and two column. Let's see. First we will use text join, and the delimiter is double quote, comma, space, again double quote, comma, true to ignore the empty cells, comma, select the cell values. Perfect. Now close the bracket and hit enter. What happened here? All our values brought into single row with adding commas. Perfect. So we have used first formula here. Now we will use text split here. Go to the end, comma, double quote, comma, space, double quote, and close. What happened here? Now we have removed all the commas from this data. Till now 80% is completed. Now our final task is, now we have to bring this value into the columns in single column. Now we will use two column. Go to the end, comma, press 3 to ignore blanks and errors, and close. Now press enter. Ta-da! What happened? All our data came into one column without any errors. How about this? So here we have used three formulas. One is text join to concatenate the data, and then we have text split to remove that column commas. Now finally we have used two column. Here we have moved the data into single column. Okay, so hope this is understood. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for a valuable time. Bye.